Hey guys, today I'm taking a look at the Viaim AI True Wireless Earbuds. Let's open up the box and see how they work. So here are the earbuds themselves. Very small and compact. Here's the case. And then in the very bottom, comes with the instructions and a quick start guide, charging cable, and then also extra earbud tips. And so yeah, let's go test this out and see how it works. It's equipped with a new 11mm titanium plated diaphragm, delivering a wide soundstage and refined high-fidelity audio. With the Viaim RecDot earbuds, you can capture and transcribe phone calls, meetings, podcasts, and more, seamlessly working with popular conferencing software. They can record and transcribe the audio from a video and transform it into text. And it supports picture-in-picture subtitles, ensuring clear and accessible communication for all of your content. And with its flash record settings, you can also wear or place them down during a group meeting or a conference to transcribe and record the conversations, helping to make sure you get every word, and from up to 7 meters away. And when the audio is being transcribed, it can be simultaneously translated into 13 languages, and with more coming down the road. It supports many different languages such as English, Chinese, Japanese, Spanish, and more. And you can also easily distinguish between different speakers during conversations, meetings, and podcasts with the earbuds speaker identification functionality. This feature automatically labels and separates each speaker's dialogue, providing a more clear and organized transcription experience. To quickly start recording the audio around you, just press the red dot on the earbud case. The audio is then stored directly on the earbud's flash memory, so there is no need to connect it to your phone or launch the app. And with Viaim's AI feature, it can help you extract concise summaries and actionable to-do items in a list from any recordings that you do, and no matter the length. The earbuds also offer impressively fast charging capabilities to help keep you powered up on the go. It takes just 40 minutes to get to a complete charge with the provided USB-C cables, and just 150 minutes when using its wireless charging feature. You can enjoy up to 9 hours of use on a single charge, and up to 36 hours when using the charging case. So you can use them all day long without any worries. It also features smart active noise cancellation, reducing the noise around you by up to 48 decibels. Ensuring a perfectly quiet experience even when in noisy environments. And so yeah, I definitely recommend checking out the Viaim AI True Wireless Earbuds today. And you can check them out in the link below. See you.